Guys, welcome to my channel. Once again we have a second problem. Before we had a problem where the pond, although it was well built and everything, the pond started coming away from the wall due to the excessive weight, and I had 16 screws snapping of 2.5 or 5 head on it, 6 inches long, with masonry raw plugs. So what we had to do there is put some raw bolts in there, just the 2 of them, and it's back to square one. Now we've got a second issue. We've now got a pond leak right there in the liner. How do we find this leak, I hear you ask? Good bloody question. I have no idea. We've come up with a master plan. We've figured out that last night we dug this trench to try it all the way down to the grid, to try and channel out the water, let the water drop to a particular level, turn the overflow, the top up system off, and let the water go down to where it stops. And it's been like this now. Yesterday I did a live on Facebook where it had dropped about 2 inches. It's been another 24 hours since then and it's still at the same level, so I'm happy to say the leak is still there. Now it keeps drying. We come this morning, it was bone dry. Now it's just started to come again when we agitate the water.
Against the wall.
Look, against the wall. I don't know why I just that. So now it's agitated. Now when we agitated the wall, you got me all messed up now. Hey? Hi baby, high five. Thank you. Push come baby. So the pond water has now found its level, stops leaking. You agitate the water. You don't need to show them constantly. So I'll try this again. The water has found its level and it stops leaking. You agitate the water and then it starts up. Did you see how she kept going down to that? She's obsessed with showing you that, wasn't she? Bloody no. I think she records but doesn't listen to what I'm saying, and then all of a sudden I'll point and she'll just go in that direction. Let's try it. Finish pointing the camera. Bloody hell, fire. Anyways, if she's gonna listen, are you listening?
Yeah.
Awesome. Right, so we found the level of where the pond is. So what we're attempting to do now is find it manually. And how we're doing finding it manually, we've had some suggestions about putting milk in there. I suggested about using some fruit solve, only a little bit of fruit solve milk in a milky solution, so you're not putting anything in there that shouldn't be in there. Fruit solve is completely harmless to the fish, so I was going to suggest that. However, I've gone against these odds because I don't want to make all the water completely milky and not find it at all. I'm going to try and find it manually first and see if we get the answers we're looking for without making the water cloudy. So come over here and have a look at this. So what I've been doing here is, I'm going to put my hand there but I don't want that to throw in the water. So I've just been rubbing off with my bare hands. See all this crustacean, all this calcium malarkey. Why don't you go around there and come to here?
No, because it's really sludgy.
Yes, please.
The trainers.
See that how she complains all the time.
There, man.
All the time.
Ooh, sludgy.
The wrong trainers on.
I've got no garden shoes whatsoever.
She refuses to buy sensible shoes. So what we're just trying to do is clean off the edges, just see if we
Like the
can manual. No, you're right.
Oh.
Maybe.
I was just thinking maybe scour the crustacean off so you can actually
Let's
fully
just see how we
it.
get first. Let's be man.
What about if it's coming from the lights? From behind the lighting?
Like, the dumbest things ever. Behind the lighting. Behind the lighting.
No, the screws. Where the screws are.
I'm just going to be behind the lighting. I'm not going to see it here. We're going to take that panel off, aren't we?
Oh. Yeah, one of them's going to slip on their bombs in a minute. Oh, they're holding each other's hand, that's amazing.
Right.
Hold on, Joe, let me see if you... Hold on. Keep rubbing it. Where you was.
What?
Just keep rubbing it. Hit the water against it. Looks like it's coming faster.
What?
Looks like the flow is getting faster. I don't know if it's around there.
Do you see what I have to put up with?
I had to reword it.
Anyway guys, I'm just going to clean around this area. I'm just going to do a bit of finding this area, and then if I find it I'm going to come back to you and we will continue. So
That's the update on that, especially we're doing a different video on that.
yeah, probably. So we're going to pause the video now just to save some space, and then we're going to come back to it. So I'll see you guys very soon. So now I did just say we'll come back once we find the leak, if we can find the leak. And now let me show you what I've done. Filled the pond up. Filled the pond up to see where it is. I've even sacrificed another hole by punching the hole in there. And firing some, being a refrigeration engineer, got some oxygen-free nitrogen. So, got nitrogen. I've pierced the pond liner. So between the panel and the pond liner, I've blown it out with nitrogen. And you can see where it pressurises out. But as it goes out, it goes back in. Nothing, no bubbles whatsoever, go into the pond. With everything switched off, obviously. No bubbles go into the pond. So, it was leaking. And we couldn't see it. And what have I just done in the meantime? I've just put a couple of slabs down there to walk on. Because it's very sludgy here. There's all the water. Just temporary slabs. We come back up. Now come and have a look at this. No leak. Yay! No leak whatsoever. So you tell me, I'm not claiming to this to be a miracle, but you tell me, where's the leak gone? How can we have a leak one minute and not the next? Now Bright Spark here come up with a suggestion. Maybe the pond wasn't leaking, maybe when it was overflowing the other day, it's just water trapped behind it and we've got rid of it all and blown it out and it's moved it. But Double Bright Spark here suggested that losing 2 inches of water overnight is a leak. I'm not going to comment anymore, but if there's no leak and the pond stays full, far as I'm concerned, I don't know what to say. I honestly don't know what to say.
We're a bit puzzled, aren't we?
Yeah,
Really puzzled.
I honestly don't know what to say. It just doesn't
There's just nothing.
don't make sense at all.
Bone dry, innit? Even the wood. Like, looks bone dry.
Doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
Well, it's up to its level now. And it's holding.
We're going to let this run. Hopefully I'm going to upload this video before we figure out the next stage.
Well,
But for now, what?
you got to run some errands, haven't you? So
I've got to run some errands, yeah.
it gives us a couple of hours to sit
Got to
for
go
the
get some
pond
more
to settle.
slabs. So we get 38 more 3x2 slabs.
So we'll do another video
That's
before.
going to take 4 trips.
Yeah.
Potentially we can do another video. If not, we'll upload this. And then we'll just see how it goes over the next week and have some progress. I think.
So
But for now, I'm really bloody shocked at this. I'm really surprised. And I can't get my head around it.
You become a goose.
It's absolutely gone. The leak has.
It's just
It's
completely
just
dry.
dried up as we're filling the pond.
But it was like that yesterday, though, wasn't it? Dave? Like yesterday evening, it was
Well,
bone
no,
dry.
we're bringing it up, let it go down, and it went down. Top it up, we'll splash around, let
Yeah.
it come out.
But last night,
But now, we've topped it up and up. As it was topping up, it started to leak.
Yeah,
But then we let it continue to go up
yeah.
to put some more nitrogen behind.
So it puts pressure on it.
Exactly, to put more pressure on there to see if we can get there. Just one tiny bubble would have done. For absolutely nothing. And the leak has disappeared, it's completely gone. Can't work it out. So, I think we're going to end it right there. I'm going to crack on with the errands that I've got to run.
In the
I was
meantime,
going to
I'm
go
going
out
to keep an eye
on the
on it.
motorbike, but I've got too many things to do, and we still haven't finished off the driveway. So, for now, I'm going to leave you with that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for a bit more. Press the bell icon and you get notified of the update for this video.
Or for any future videos.
Or any future videos. I do appreciate all the subscribers we've got so far, don't we, Charles?
Yes, we do.
Appreciate all that. Thank you very much for all the supporters. Thanks for keeping all the comments clean so far as well. And now usually I would say until next time, happy koi. Now although we've got a happy koi,
You're still a bit back.
we haven't got a happy pond. I'm a bit confused.
Well, it needs to make its mind up where it's doing.
Regardless of the pond, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to find out more. Not stay tuned to find out more, you know what I mean. Stay with us, stick with us. We will do a follow-on to this, but I don't think it's going to be anytime soon, do you? That's going to be weird.
Yeah. I think we should just keep an eye on it.
I don't want
to
to say happy
days.
koi and jinx it. Can you say it?
What?
Until next time,
Happy
happy
koi.
koi.